Hello, everybody. Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. How are you? I have another virtual open house to present to you today. I'm going to walk you through a fantastic remodeled home in Carmel with great views of Point Lobos and Carmel Bay. The address is 3680 Via Mar Monte, and do it just like the rest of the tours that I have done previously. We have a 3D Matterport tour that I can walk you through property. Obviously, with COVID-19, we're trying to do as many things virtually as we can. Homes are available to see now, so you can see homes in person, but it's actually a really good idea to take these 3D tours ahead of time and make sure that that home, really fits your needs before you then go see it in person and take any risks. So what I'm going to do is go to my screen here. And what I have here is actually the web page for this property on our website. So this is the virtual open house page. When you come here to view it, you'll actually be clicking here to see the video that I'm recording right now. And then there's a description of the property. It's actually on a full acre. You kind of get an idea of the view with the picture that's here, although it really doesn't do it justice. With these wide angle lenses that we're using to take photographs, it makes the view look further off in the distance than it actually is. This home has 4 bedrooms, including 2 master suites, one on the main level of the house, one on the lower level of the house. It's completely remodeled on trend right now, as you'll see here in a minute. So what I want to do here, I'll go to the listing page, and the listing page I can show you some of the exterior pictures a little bit easier. So we'll actually go backwards. That shows you the outside. So there's a large deck on the back of this property. So you can actually see the floor plan that is here. You can see the deck runs the full length of the lower level and the upper level. So you actually have a ton of outdoor space that's really usable, and you'll see that it kind of allows you to take the indoors outside, and it's a great home for entertaining that way. So again, like I said, 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, over 4,000 square feet. So it measured out at 4136, and it's on just under an acre. It's 0.99 acres. So here's kind of a shot of the exterior. This home's located just east of Highway 1 and Carpenter. So if you know where that kind of stoplight is on Highway 1, you'd make a right to go to downtown Carmel. It's actually just on the opposite side of that, maybe a quarter of a mile, maybe a half mile up the hill from there. It's really, really close to everything, real centrally located in the Monterey Peninsula. So easy access to Carmel, Pebble Beach, Pacific Grove, Monterey, the airport, getting in and out of town and all that. You're just above where the real congestion starts for Carmel when there's a lot of traffic on the holiday weekends or in the summertime. So this is kind of showing you the deck as it wraps around. And here's another shot of the view. You get great sunsets from this house. It is facing, this direction here is pretty much west. And here's even the lower level. You can see that you still have ocean views. So with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the 3D tour in Matterport, and we'll actually do a tour of the inside of this home. I don't know if you've played around with these 3D Matterport tours. These are pretty cool. It gives you a real good feel for the inside of the house. And you can zoom in or zoom out and stay wide. I'm just using the wheel on my mouse to do that, which is pretty neat. So I'll stay pretty wide while we kind of look through it. But this is the living area. And you can see nice high ceilings in here. You've got an open dining area to the living room. They also have a bar in this property, which is pretty cool. So like I said, for entertaining, it's a great home to entertain in. And then if we go back down, this kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of how high the ceilings are. We go down to this end of the home. Like I said, this is the main level. The kitchen's down here. And you can see the kitchen's been redone as well. So new appliances, new countertops, breakfast nook over here. This takes you into the garage. It's obviously real convenient for groceries and that sort of thing. So a large, oversized 2-car garage. Then you can see the deck wraps around the kitchen and continues to go all the way down. If I remember right, it goes all the way to the master bedroom, which is pretty cool. So, which is the main master is also on this level. So back through the living room, you can see more of the deck out here. Not sure why things are moving so slowly today on here, but they are for some reason. It's probably all the traffic they're getting on the Matterport site. Hey, there's our camera. Gotta love that. So this is the master suite. Again, nice size suite. Obviously, that's a big bed. There's a fireplace over on the left-hand side. You can see there. There's a sliding glass door out onto the deck. Here's the bathroom. Again, totally remodeled. So you've got a soaking tub, a big walk-in shower, dual vanities, beautiful tile floors in here. They look actually kind of like, almost like they're a metal, which is pretty neat for ceramic tile. This is actually the master closet, and the Matterport guy did not get us a shot inside there. Actually, what I'll do, I like to use the floor plan. So I don't know if you guys see this, but over here you can actually go to a dollhouse view, and then we have a floor selector, so you can go to the different levels of the house. So it's easier just to jump around. So we were just here in the master. You can see where this red dot was. That's where I was. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over by the front door. It's going to take us in there. So again, we can go down this hallway, and there's another full bath. So this obviously is a bath for your guests to use. You've got the laundry over here with a barn door kind of closed now, which is pretty cool. And then again, another full bathroom. As you can see. And then we're going to head downstairs. So instead of actually dragging down the stairs here, I'll go to the dollhouse. We'll go to the lower level, and we'll come out right at the bottom of the stairs here. So this level has 2 bedrooms, each with an adjoining bathroom on this side. So here's one of the bedrooms. And again, good size rooms. And then here's the bathroom for that bedroom. You can see there's a shower back there. And then nice vanity mirror. Excuse me. So this actually goes to kind of a storage space that I know the owners have been using as an office. So as we go back down the hall here, here's where the second bedroom's located. to kind of get an idea here. It's got some nice built-ins around the window, which is pretty cool. And again, you can come and take this tour on your own and you know, get as detailed as you would like in each one of these rooms. So here's the other bathroom downstairs. And then there's actually like a little family room down here, which is pretty cool. So you can see they've set it up with games for their kids. So they have, you know, some college age kids. So this is kind of where the kids hang out when they're home, which is pretty cool. Kind of set up like a game room. And then this is another master suite down below. It's actually, you know, almost like a full guest suite. So you can see it has like a little kitchenette down here. Here's the bath. There's kind of the view outside to the deck. So again, this deck runs all the way around the bottom of the house as well. So you have a second deck there. So I think I could actually go out on the deck up on the main level. So let me go back upstairs here. And we're in the master suite. I think I need to go into the living room. I think I can get outside to the deck this way. Maybe not. Sometimes they shoot the deck, sometimes they don't. So I thought I had it where I could get out there, but it's not letting me do it. So you have to go on the other pictures. So that's basically it. Like I said, you can take this tour on your own. It's the 3D button. Actually, here I'll share this and I'll show you again where that all is. So right down here, when you come into this page, and all of the pages that we have for our virtual open house are set up the same way. As you scroll down, this will be the video that I'm creating right now. But down here, you can go to the 3D Matterport tour, and that takes you to the tour that I was just walking you through the house. There's a property website that has larger pictures, the floor plans on there. The listing page is right here for our website. If you want to contact us and request a private showing, you can do that using this button here. Then we also have an app that's pretty cool that you can download on your phone that allows you to look up property anywhere in the United States. And what's really cool about it is, I don't know if you notice when you use Zillow and Trulia and all the online sites, if you're looking for real estate, all of a sudden you start seeing all these ads about real estate that follow you around. Well, this app does not do that. It's a Keller Williams app only, and they're dedicated to maintaining the privacy of all of our clients and customers. So that's kind of a cool thing. So if you want it, and like I said, it's hooked up to all the MLS services all over the US based on Keller Williams being the largest real estate outfit in the United States right now with over 170,000 agents. So it's a pretty interesting tool that's quite different than the other stuff that's out there. And it seems like the information on there is really accurate. So again, my name's Mark Bruno. I'm with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of our listing in Carmel, and that is 3680 Via Mar Monte. And take care, and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Bye-bye.